Nkechi, what is wrong with you? Do you want Kama to visit you?
Kama? Mama, do I look like someone Kama can visit? Please, I'm very successful. A graduate at that.
Yes, you are a graduate. But with the help of Austin. Oh yes! Without Austin, would you have written JAMB in the first place?
Mama, I don't like it when you make this kind of statement. Austin sent me to school, paid my bills, fine. He doesn't own me. There are other men in my life.
I am your mother, and I will not support evil. So I advise you to call this young man and apologize to him.
Apologize to Austin? Did I offend him? Mama, I don't understand you.
Yes, you did. You wronged him. You wronged him. This is the same man that showed you way to success. I showed you the world. You've seen the world now, and you are abandoning him. This is not right. When we were suffering, we did not have anything to eat. Where were all those men that are not coming around you? Where were they?
Mama, the same Austin that you're talking about, I gave him my body and he rejected me. Now he feels he has right over me. Please, if this is the reason you came here, then I'm done having this conversation.
Nkechi, you're working out on me. Nkechi, come back here. Nkechi, you're working out on your mother. Look at you. Nkechi, you're trying to provoke me now. Nkechi, if you do not come back here, I will... Hey! Oh my God. So you're inside now, eh? What can you make? Oh, Kulada, can you only Kuriano? What's possible? Can you make any mono?
I'm so sorry for coming out.
Austin.
Nkechi.
What are you doing here?
Work, of course.
Oh. You're the IT consultant manager that was sent to my company?
Do you have a problem with that?
No. Not at all. Austin. I've been trying to reach you on the phone to ask for your forgiveness. But all my efforts have been abortive. No communication at all.
Nkechi, I'm here to work, not for some personal issues. So our advice will proceed immediately.
Austin, I'm sorry. Forgive me, please.
Forgive you for what exactly?
Everything. Just forgive me. I know I wronged you.
Can we proceed with work?
Yes, fine.
I'm sorry for keeping you guys waiting. Can we proceed?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. I like that. Well, I presented the document to the general manager and he accepted our business proposal.
I'm happy to hear that. Our company accountant will bring the record of the estimate and then we'll send you the remaining budget.
Yeah, Nkechi is right. We need the record of the estimate from the accountant before the human resource manager will take it to the general manager for the final project.
Well, your ideas and contributions are okay. I truly appreciate this meeting and I'm sure we'll assemble again to further discuss on this. But with our suggestions, I'm sure both companies will excel. I'll thank you once again for this wonderful opportunity and I have to take my leave now.
Thank you.
Austin! Austin! God, Austin has really made it. He is now a rich guy. He has traveled to different countries and has met many people in life. I need to go back to him and continue my relationship with him.
Both of you, if you don't tell me who stole my money in this house, hey, Mama Punish, I will cut off your head.
I didn't see any money. I didn't see any money.
Papa, I didn't collect your money, but I cannot collect the money. It's you.
I didn't see any money, Papa.
Wait. Both of you are telling me that someone came in from outside and stole my money. Why couldn't I go? Yes,
Papa, exactly. It must be an outsider.
Instead you go on there. Look at you. I know you very, very well. You have transmogrified from Ingwibo to Ibaburumri. Papa, me. You have stolen my money to use it to buy Ibaburumri. If you don't provide it, hey, are you?
Undergraduate like me, Papa. I've been working hard to support you and Mama.
Undergraduate.
Papa, see, I'm not a smoker.
Shut up there, undergraduate. You're underwear. You underwear. And you, if I go out there and come back and find out that you stole my money, hey, I will send you off to those Aboki who are looking for wives.
Papa, no, Papa, I'm too young to get married. I didn't take any money, but I can collect the money.
You are too young to marry. By the time you go there, you feel that your mates already have 10 children. 10! And you born 20 for them. If you go and get my money.
Papa, go and get my money. Papa.
Hey! Who gave me these things as children?
Nai, please, I think you should take it easy on these children. Please, Nai.
It's again. Chelu, take it easy on them. Take it easy on these children. When my money is missing, you never know. Hey!
But Nai, how sure are you that the one that stole your money?
Your children are thieves. They stole my money. Your children are thieves.
Nai, you are referring to them as my children alone. They are also your children.
Listen to me. When they behave properly, the way I train them, they are my children. But when they start misbehaving, they are your own. Sorry?
Nai, I think you should go and look for your money before accusing them.
Hey! Listen. Those children stole my money. They are criminals. Thieves! Look at your son. I sent him to the university. What is he still doing at home? Eh? What's he doing in this village 1 month after school is resumed? He's just walking up and down, smoking in their hemp. Now, wine. What about your daughter? What's she doing? Eh? Someone who is preparing for school start. Preparing for Wayek. Eh? In the Kwenisi. Wayek. She is preparing for Wayek. Yet, how many times does she go to school? How many times does she attend classes?
Nah, that's the reason you should advise them as your children.
Okay. Advice?
Yes.
Advise them. Let me tell you something. One trains him or herself. If you want to be useful to yourself, you will be useful to yourself. You understand me? Look at Nkechi, my niece. My late brother's daughter. Who is advising her? But she is struggling with her mother to survive. Now, Bambo. They keep stealing my money. They are criminals. When they steal my money, they give you. That is why you are defending them. Let me tell you, if I don't see that money, if you don't return that money, you and your thieves of children, you will starve in this house. When you get born, you will starve to death, all of you.
No, we are not done talking and you are leaving.
Done talking? You want me to sit down here and listen to you talk about those criminals? Those thieves you call your children? Let me not see my money. When you get born, no.
My children are not criminals.
Criminals!
They are not criminals. Hey, God. God, please help me. Eh? These children will not kill me in this house. Help.
I want your hand for people.
What is they worrying you?
Chineke, come on. Leave me. See, I go deal with you.
What is they worrying you?
See, I don't go give you.
Who won't collect? Who get in there?
I don't want again.
I want to do again. Come on, give me bucket to the talk. You're not going to give me what? Give me bucket to the
You don't see me.
What are you?
See, I'm gonna come. I'm gonna see him.
What's going on here?
Now this is money, man. This is your question.
Very sorry, sir. Why are you two fighting over a bucket in this house? Very sorry, sir.
Oga, we know the fight over bucket too. Now bucket, where I bring out to say, make I use them do something. I
Where be my bucket? The one where Oga, they take this bucket to wash motor. The one where I want use and do not be something. This one no be, but this is a butter. Now I want to do something. You defend my phone for this side, I will kill you. So I won't use this thing.
Will you shut up?
Hey.
What's wrong with you? Don't you know she's a woman and has to be respected?
A woman will not get respect. Woman will not get simple respect. I said to get you there. Now you keep me for this house. But I don't see my wound. You don't unwound them. You don't unwound my wound.
Gloria, I'm sorry about that, okay? I'm so sorry about that. Kizito.
Sir?
Get back to your post now.
Go! I
said get back to your post now!
Go your post. Go your duty. They go there.
Don't go help me punish you.
Don't punish you.
Thunder go help me punish you.
Don't die.
Finish.
I'm sorry. Thunder from third heaven. Don't already destroy me. Thunder.
Back to your post now.
I'm also okay. Okay, let me be first person when you employ for this house. This boy won't kill me.
I'm sorry about that. You can go back to the kitchen now.
My wound.
Sort yourself out. Go back to the kitchen, please.
Oh, can you see this guy?
Zito.
Don't go police for me.
Are you mad?
I don't want idiot. You walk out. Okay, you see him. Oh, okay, more. Okay,
that's enough. Go back.
Okay, make we find another security man. Where could they get to this gate? This boy not sabi anything again. For night, they go carry a shower. I don't tell you. If they carry a shower, all those 1,000 naira people, they carry them come here. One day I go snap them picture, show you evidence.
Just go back inside, please.
Hey, yeah, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Where are you nothing and kill now? Yes, sir. Hey, brother. So you're the one that stole Papa's money?
Shh. Stop shouting. You want him to hear you.
Hey, okay, if you don't want me to shout, promise me you must give my own share of that money.
See, I didn't steal this money to share with anybody.
Oh, you see how much to talk? Papa!
Shh. Stop! Do you want him to catch me?
Do you want to suffocate me? See, you don't want me to shout it. You must give me something from that money. What kind of stingy am robber are you?
Take this.
Ha! Father, what is this now?
This is money.
1,000 naira?
Yes.
What am I supposed to use this to do with?
I don't know. Anything you want to.
Make it tricky or you. Papa, come and
Shh! Stop now! Stop! What's your problem?
Give me my own share of the money. Make it tricky.
See, if I give you this money, it means that it is me and you that stole this money.
God forbid! Bloody criminal. See, I didn't follow to steal this money. Don't chat that nonsense to me. Which one is I follow to steal money?
What is this now? What is this?
I must do for the area and give me my own share of the money.
See, and shut up your mouth. I don't want to hear you talk again.
So out of 20,000 naira, 3K will be doing you want some. So,
I have given you money. Go and don't talk. Shh.
I'm robber. Your mates in the university using the life to do something better. See you here stealing money for collecting Papa's money.
Nonsense.
Ew.
See, you have produced this money now.
Look, I'm robber. Etiko! That nonsense stupid man. Hey, come here. Take it easy, I gotta say make you clean this shoe for him. Make you take your time. When you've cleaned and finished, you take time, polish and well, shine and make it the shine. Say that waiting you want take go confluence. I don't know, but you say they take and go walk now. So make you they do the work now. Collect. She dey collect. You don't hear me? You don't deaf?
Wait, I'm not even understand. What do you they expect from me? As you just the back like dog, they come. Wah. I go come begin jump up. As celebrity as what? Who you be? You never know say you no get level. Just they come make I begin jump up.
See this bingo. Oh, I not get to level. Now you will get to level. Me, I there for house. House they cover me. I dey enjoy myself inside house. If I like, I on AC. Then knock 'em for there. Where you there? You there forget. Sun they hammer you morning, afternoon, and night. You dey open gate, they close gate. Me and you who get level pass. I pass you, brother. If you don't know, no now. I not get to your time. And see, make I tell you, your devil where they inside you cannot bring down the spirit of God where they inside me. Because yesterday night I pray inside the midnight. Even this morning I wake up, I pray. So you no go use your own, take spoil my own. I no come out here, make me and you they talk. You talk, if I talk, you talk. You no reach. Imagine, can you see make I come out for here?
Imagine sinner. Condemn sinner like you, they waste prayer. You just go carry prayer, they waste time. You never read that place where Bible talk say the prayer of a sinner, say an abomination unto God. You never reach that side. This your prayer and a big abomination. In fact, they need to condemn you like condemn criminal. Kill you for praying.
For praying?
Yes.
You know the sin. Then I don't pama. A shower customer, or no social customer. They open my the carpet say, they say. Stand down in that sun now, talk one thing, make thunder from third heaven, destroy your generation. One person where they open mouth say make person the same. Now your type where they for Bible where they say this woman, you say they follow man, they follow. I say cast one stone. Make you cast. As they cast the stone. You cast the stone. Like you run after they cast the stone. Idiot, I don't have your time. Take this shoe now, or I go inside. Go tell Oga say you no won't collect the shoe. I don't cry. I see just like a. You know, say as I begin cry. Come out for here. See, madam, run inside now. Rush inside, go bring polish. Carry this shoe, come back with polish. If you know say you won't make I clean them. Don't go the talk nonsense. That I should do what? I should go inside and bring polish as what? As a person where you keep for house, they pay. Me, I dey here to talk to you. If you like, clean them. If you like, no clean them. In fact, I go tell Oga. Wait first. Oga go see I'm here. Oga. If you not bring that polish, you go there here. Foolish idiot. Keep on here now. As you tell me, say, Oga won't use and go conference. Make I just begin do. Thunder, that place. Animal. Carry this thing. You know, you don't give me 2 jobs. I be gate man and the shoemaker for 1 compound. Thunder came back into 4 that place. They give me work. No, make it there here. You go there here till Oga go come see.
Problems associated with the use of prepositions. But Omaka and Aso, they cannot speak good English. Yeah? Then neighbor. Problems associated with use of prepositions. Okay, wait. Preposition is derived from a Latin word. Preposition. Meaning place.
Papa. Deo. Papa. I've come to ask you for money for my WAEC registration. The last date is next tomorrow.
Money for WAEC registration? Have I not given you money for WAEC registration? Which one are you asking for again?
Papa, calm down now. It's okay. Don't shout. And Papa, yes, you gave me the money for WAEC. For WAEC, Papa, I lost it. And someone stole it from my bag. I don't know who stole it from my class.
Chisom, I gave you money for WAEC registration. You come back here to tell me that you have lost it. Okay, if you lost the WAEC money, then you too get lost. Get
you say that? Papa, I'm not lying to you. I lost the money. Papa, there are so many armed robbers in my class, so I don't know which of them collected the money, but I can't find. The money got lost.
Jesus, I gave you money. You went out there and squandered it, and
But not squander any money.
so you want me to believe you? You want me to believe you? Okay, no problem. No problem. If you have lost the money for WAEC, no problem now. Go and learn how to hairdressing. You can learn it, or you can learn yes, sewing. Listen to me. Eloka, I cannot continue to spend money on a girl, a daughter that does not want to be useful to herself. You want to be useless? Go out there and be useless. Don't come back to ask me for money.
Papa, I'm useful. I'm useful around you and Mama. I'm a useful child. I'm not a useless child. Every time you be cursing your children. But Papa, for once you've not wished us well in this house. How do you want us to succeed?
Okay.
Don't know there's power in the tongue.
I should wish you well.
Wish us well, Papa.
My late brother's daughter. Who is wishing her well? Who is wishing her well? But she is there struggling day and night with her mother, surviving. Who is wishing her well? Look at you. What are you doing here? Look at your brother. I have paid hostel money, hostel fees. I have paid school fees. I have paid even feeding money, extra. Yet, what is he doing in this village? Roaming about, smoking Indian hemp, pushing girls up and down. And you don't want to go to school. You don't want to be useful to yourself. I give you money for your WAEC registration. You squander it and come back here to talk to me.
Papa, it's not my fault. I lost the money.
Go.
Give me the money now.
Papa, what do you want me? No, come back here.
I want to return for my WAEC now, Papa.
Ewu, Ocho. Go and learn Dua sewing. Bagara. That is what is good for you. Idiot. Nothing. Hi, go do my kind of here. What kind of children are these?
Hey! Chisum! To fear again. I sing it to fear.
What happened?
Chisum.
Mama.
So your father gave you money for your exam. And you misused it. And came back to ask her for another money. Chisum.
Mama.
Hey!
Mama, I did not misuse the money.
Shut up!
The money got lost in my class.
I know you very well. Chisum, I know when you are lying.
Mama, I'm not lying. For the last time, I'm not lying. I cannot lie to you now, Mama. Someone stole the money from my class.
Oh, Chisum, you want me to believe you? When you have started behaving like your brother, since he came back from the school, you want me, your mother, to believe you?
Mama.
I say.
Mama, you people giving me the money or not? The deadline is next tomorrow. Everybody in my class have paid for it. I'm the only one. Mama, this thing is not fair now.
Liar Kangwagi, let the registration end. Oh, if it ends, you go and learn hairdressing.
Mama.
Yes.
Are you saying this as well? Mama, no, now I must finish my secondary school. I want to go to university like Brother Kene.
With this character of yours, Chiso, with this your behavior, you want me to train a criminal in school so that later you will become a highway robber or a prostitute. Is that what you want? Mama.
Mama, listen to what you're wishing me. Me, Chiso, I'm robber, prostitute, me. Mama, God forbid. God forbid. God forbid, I will not. I will complete my school. I will go to university. I will become a lawyer or a journalist. I will have plenty money. I'll buy car for you and Mama, for you and Papa. I'll not carry food to the city and spoil you. That's what you should be wishing me. No, this bad luck. Every time everybody be wishing us bad luck. It is not fair, Mama. It's not fair.
Ikushago, we are liar, Kangwa. Your destiny lies in your hands. You become what you want to be if you stop stealing from your father and I.
Man, not stealing. God in heaven is not stealing. Not a thief.
Look at your elder cousin sister, Nkechi. Is looking for this same opportunity, but nobody is there to give it to her. Eh? Chisom,
Mama,
You and your brother should stop making your father angry, so he doesn't change his mind towards you people. Eh? Are you still here looking at me? Come on, go inside and prepare night food. Nonsense. What kind of children is this? Eh? Where am I going to get this money from? Because I know her father will not listen to her again. Eh? What am I going to do now? Eh? Chimkenge, can you do Mazi Difa?
Kizito! Kizito! My friend, come here. Where's my shoe I gave Juan to give to you to polish for? Where is it? Sir, I asked you a question. Where is my shoe?
So see where Juan can't carry your shoe, can't keep. Where she keep your shoe? I think she just from that place, run, carry your shoe, knife for grand there. I can't tell her, so I wear the polish where we go take polish the shoe now. She can't run inside, she don't even talk to me. And the polish where they here, why they manage, she don't thief am. When she not say she don't already thief the small polish where they here, she refused to go inside, go collect another polish where I go take polish your shoe. I don't know whether she won't make I use my piece. Take polish your shoe for you.
Are you mad?
Sir?
What do you mean she stole the polish she was supposed to use on my shoe?
Okay, I know what I dey talk. You get small polish where I never even use. Now someone I don't come up from that polish where I keep here. Now Juan, go thief the polish, go hide them. I don't know whether she won't open shop where they say polish. Me say if I tire. I make your shoe there here, nobody don't.
Juan! Juan! Come here. Stop that.
Okay.
Why did you hide the polishment for my shoe?
Sir, I cannot hear you.
He say why did you steal?
Shut up your mouth and talk to you. Who you think say you be? Okay, I beg, no verse. I don't understand what you just talk.
Why did you steal the polishment for my shoe?
Punish? Me steal the punish? What did I want to take punish they do? Even if say I want clean my shoe no black now. What did I want to take punish? Oh, you lie for my head, say I take your punish. Now God go punish you. Okay, make I tell you what happen. You know you say make I carry your shoe, can't give him. Say make he punish him for you, say you take and go confluence. I can't meet this idiot for here. I carry the shoe, give him. First of all, he come tell me say he no get strength oh. Then later I go tell him say I go report you give Oga oh. The idiot is telling me. Make I go inside the house to go bring a punish for him. Make he take and punish your shoe. Not tell him say whether he done the craze. Now he put me for this house, now he dey pay me. Now it happen oh. Now it happen. Happen.
Okay, you see? You see the illiterate, you see the animal where you carry me and put inside house. If a correct person like me, very clean boy like this, carry this animal, join me and together for one house.
Look at you. I'm Pama. See who is talking. Let's show him.
Normally now, me and this person feed them one house.
Shut up your mouth, idiot.
Come out here and say, he said na punish. Now God go punish you.
God don't punish you, finish, idiot. God ain't wanna. Chineka wanna goku. You know, go answer everything he tell you.
This is just why they give me police. Go inside. I don't already relax. So relax, balance. Bring my brush. Make I take brush your shoe. But you go bring police as you don't thief the one where they here where they manage. You don't thief them. Go bring new one now. Oga get plenty inside. Carry one come make we manage clean this shoe. Shoe wife don't finish it. This get thief the police. Run.
Kizito, I've told you countless times to stop arguing with Juan like a woman.
Oh.
She's a woman. Why are you sounding like a woman?
Oh, you know they blame me all the time. All the time they blame me. This woman always insult me here. What do they do to me now?
Shut up! Are you mad? I don't want this to happen again in this house. Am I clear? Now come inside so I'll give you another polish for my shoe.
Okay, tell this girl, oh. Tell this girl. Now nothing, I go take kill him, oh. Me, I will use nothing, I kill you. Take him. Get him some. Come close. Idiot, you quench. Who you be, sir? Who Wait, you try me. What did you do? What did you do? You go bring something here.
Make I tell you. You see, Oga go come out. You see, for this house, Oga go soon come out. And when Oga come out, I go beat him.
I deal with you.
Nkachakwa.
No shaking. I deal with you. If I
Ajoma. You know those I get single boys.
because I never chop, you don't do anyhow.
Because you never chop.
Because an addition of the respect to. Because I never eat something, don't they do like say, okay, I deal with you. You go see now. You go see now. Me and you for this. You take me there. You don't know where we don't lend you to reach. You go here now.
What is it, Papa? Look at you. So this is what you have been doing, eh? I give you money to go back to school. You are here smoking it away.
Papa, you are just interrupting me. Can't you see I'm enjoying myself?
Enjoy yourself. Hey! Money I gave you to use in school for your feeding. You are here smoking it away. Tell me you are enjoying yourself. Chai.
Papa, I will go back to school. I will go back to school, but not now.
Not now. When will you go back to school? No, at the end of the semester, when others are on holidays, you go back to school.
See, Papa, very soon they will fix exam. So once they put exam timetable, I will go and write the exam.
Hey, Igbo will teach you what to write. No, Igbo will teach you what to write. Hey, yeah, listen to me. See today, that all the money that I gave you for school, you must give back to me.
Papa,
give it to me. Papa, hey, Papa, idiot. Okay. Eh?
Hey! Papa, you're giving me this money now. Is it not a certificate that you want? Eh? Is it not because of certificate that you're sending me to school? Eh? Just leave me. At the end of the day, I'll bring certificate for you.
Okay, Igbo will prepare the certificate and you bring it for me. No, certificate of Igbo smoking or certificate of Upuru.
Papa, leave me. Oh.
Turn down.
Papa, leave me. Papa, leave me.
Oh yeah, look at him. Idiot. Hey! Hey! Don't worry. By the time I'm through with you, in fact, your mother must tell me where.
People should just leave me alone. People should leave me alone.
Ekene, since you don't want to be useful to yourself, you are smoking and drinking around with the money your father gave you to go back to the school. Don't come back to my house again. Go.
See, Mama, I have told you and Papa. You people, I don't know why you people are just disturbing yourself over me. If you sent me to school to go and get certificate, if it's certificate you want, I'll get it for you. Is it not? Bachelor degree certificate. Is it not that what you want?
Okay. You want to go back to school. When it's time for exam, you go and write your exam and come back.
Exactly, Mama.
Okay, that is what you want.
Yes. This is how men do these days, Mama.
Asi.
This is how men do these days.
You are a liar.
See, Mama, you reason with me. Because, Papa, I don't understand how Papa reason. But you reason better.
You are very crazy. Ekene, ask him this drugging ma. Listen, by next week, I don't want to see you any place around this house. Pack your things and go back to the lodge. Or else, I will disown you. Try
Mama, you disown me?
Yes.
See, Mama, you cannot do something like that. I know you so much, and I know that you love my sister and I. See, Mama, we are your only fruit. So if you lose us, that one is your business. You and Papa will stay in this house childless.
So, Ekele, because I love you both, that's why you children want to misbehave and bring shame for me and your father in this village. It will not work.
Mama, I don't understand what they're talking about, seriously. I don't understand. Did anybody make mention that we has been disturbing in this village? See, Mama, be a guy. Mama, be a guy now. I mean, play along.
Ekene, like I said before, by this time next week, I don't want to see you in this house. Pack your things and go back to your lodge. If not, you will see the other side of Obegeri.
See, Mama.
Try me.
Mama, they calm down, no. They calm down, no. See, you're not talking to a baby, oh. You're talking to a full-grown man, no. Calm down, oh. Look at my age. Can you imagine? Mama, I've grown, I'm no longer a baby, oh. So stop talking to me like that, oh.
Yes, who's that? Come in.
Okay.
Joan.
I beg no verse. Your phone don't ring since. The person you call, he ring, he cut. You call again, he ring. You don't call like 5 times. I say make I bring her.
Alright,
Can they go?
It's alright, please, you can leave. Thank you.
Papa, welcome. Papa, welcome, oh. Papa.
What did I do this time? Yeah? Oh, wow. What kind of a father is this? I have never seen my father happy for once. Eh? See, Dad is not proud of having us as his kids. Yay.
It's not my business. He likes, he smiles. He likes, does not answer. It's not my business.
Nkechi, what's the meaning of this? Why are you blocking my way? What's all this? Get your car out of my way now. Nkechi, this is tyranny. Get your car out of my way now!
Austin, I'm sorry. I've been calling your phone for the past 2 days now. You've not been picking my calls.
Give me one good reason why I should take your calls. One good reason why I should take your call.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
Nkechi, you owe me no explanation. No apology at all. Alright? You're an adult. You own your life. You have the right to live it any way it pleases you. None of my business.
Austin, we all make mistakes. And I have realized my mistake. That is why I am asking you to forgive me. Please.
What the hell do you take me for? Now tell me. You think I'm a fool? Do I look like a fool to you? You're very funny. You want me to forgive you? Really?
I'm sorry.
Look, Nkechi, I have a meeting to attend to right now. You need to get your car out of the way right now. Please.
You haven't told me what I want to hear.
Listen, Nkechi, I have an appointment to catch up with right now. So I would love for you to move your car. Please. Now!
It's okay. Fine.
Move. This is bloody tyranny. Move your car now!
Chisom, you're back.
Yes, Mama. There were so many people at the top, but I pleaded with someone who will allow me to fetch. Yes, Mama.
You're welcome.
Yes, Mama.
Thank you so much.
All right.
So, stay. Let me finish cooking so that you can eat before you leave.
No, Mama, no. I would have loved to stay, but you know my father and his wahala. I have to go back now to the house before he starts looking for me. You know he hates when I come out to help you with the chores. I wish I could stay, Mama.
It's okay, Mom. But when I finish cooking, I will bring for you in the house.
Mama, no, Mama, you shouldn't do that. I promise to eat once I come next time. Mama, no, now. When I come next time, I promise to eat. Yes, Mama.
My God will bless you for helping me out every day.
Amen, Mama.
Oh?
Amen. I promise to help you whenever I'm chance.
Thank you.
All right, Mama. Thank you too. Bye. Oh.
Thank you.
Do?
Hi. Achalu go nwam. Ene nebe ji olu. Oh. Nwa Chineke goziri. Thank you. Oh. O gadiri gi na mma nwa m.
Hey! Say they want somebody, son. Say they want me. Ah! Say they want me. I will not see space. Animal. Say they want me. Time. Say they want you, barista. When I come back here, say they want me. Say they want me. Say they want me. Oh, say they want me. Oh, say they want me.
Don't you forget peace. If you come for trouble, don't you forget trouble. If you come for wahala, you go collect and water. If you come for sikata, don't you get water.
thing? Bingo! Who do this thing? What that stupid animal? Bingo! You don't know where I want to put on evidence this yard. Oyala! Come here! See, the kind of vexation wait there for my body, you never see. I swear to God, you never home. Respect yourself now. In fact, you know say, I know well, but I go show you say devil. In fact, better devil they live inside the me if you know do what you're supposed to do now.
That one na old story. Complete old story because as I dey, I don't know since. Say you be complete Jezebel.
No problem.
So
no
they say silent is the best answer given to an slave, and that's why I go give you silent today.
So what are they wrong?
You know they make sense.
But you know what? You see, this is Jezebel. Go chop you raw.
Come on.
Who made me? This Jezebel will chop you raw right now. If you don't go in there and arrange it, you'll be able to swap.
Cut away you.
You see the hanger where hanger for there. Instead of you to hang your own one side, you go shift my clothes to one side. Come hang your own. Space is still there. Space is still there. As the space is still there, why you don't leave my clothes?
You get sense at all.
Go arrange them.
You get sense.
If you not arrange them,
You go that place, you see rope, you see 4 rope, 4 nice day. You go for that only one where I use my money by, where you even see I put them for back.
See this, you will get money.
You go carry your rag, your inner wear and the outer wear, the nonsense way they wear, now you go carry them full my rope. Something, na butter there your brain.
1 week for this house, you no go chop. If you no go do this thing now, you no go chop. You dey hear me?
As you talk, I don't dey cry now. I don't dey cry. Shebi you be your wife. No, you even born 4 children for Oga. Your breast, they even come out water for the last baby where you just born for Oga. Come on, get away from here. Here you dey play because I dey play with you. Thunder fire. Thunder. What? Because I live for this house. You dey misbehave. Are you sorry that? Yeah. Why you gonna misbehave?
Hey!
So you think this I don't know you? No, talk of him.
Stop this madness
now.
now.
Stop him.
I said get off his body.
Get
off his body now.
I'm not going to. I'm not going to walk.
Juan.
This is just every time I'm going to find my trouble for this house.
Get off his body now.
Let me do like this.
Juan!
Ogami, get out. Oh, get up. Ogami, this idiot.
What's going on here?
I don't do anything, you know. Ogami, you see that rope? Where there for there, where they hang clothes? Is there for? Okay? So, I hang my things for just one. This one being go there. It's not for him to hang your own clothes to where he's supposed to hang them. You go shift to my own one side. Hanging on. Space is still there. I can't call it. Tell him make you go fix it. He begin to insult my generation. Don't allow what you point.
Etiko.
Hey.
Why did you remove her clothes from the rope?
This animal raped me. This girl raped me. This girl came and keep me for ground here. They raped me.
Shut up, Etiko. Who says you got something?
Etiko.
What are you hearing? Whatever.
I asked you a simple question.
Rape you.
Why did you remove her clothes from the rope? Why?
Okay, I'm getting this girl arrested. I'm getting you arrested. Okay, this girl go pack nonsense clothes. Go give for rope where I use my money buy. I go tell this girl. I go just shift her clothes some more. Space still there, just shift her.
I say there, go see her.
Let this girl rape me here.
Thunder fire you. Who will rape you? Who you
kill you?
I will kill you. You fit? You fit?
Kesito, go to the backyard.
Yes.
Put her clothes back on the rope.
Oh, the what?
Now!
Okay, which can't take me this? No, I won't ask you, which can't take me this? Why you treat me like this? Now you destroy this girl. This girl do all these things now. You the only thing where you can't do now to tell me to go don't do this thing. Why you do like this? Go.
Don't do what your said you.
Are you talking back at me?
Iboyala.
Are you mad?
Iboyala.
Go and fix it.
Are you in one? Go.
Go and fix it.
Go. Let me go ahead order, make I fix this. Okay. This idiot know me very well from my village. And when my job worker. And I'm coming here. See, just give me go ahead order. Okay, go beat him. Okay, go move them. I go uppercut. Front view, everything. Okay, go deal with them. Just give me go ahead. I get them. Make I go beat them. See, the following they talking back at you. They talk back at my Oga. Now they talk back at. Okay, give me go ahead order.
Joanne, that's enough.
Get organ my blood in heart.
Joanne, I said that's enough.
I want to release. I want to release. I want to release. I want to release.
If you come for peace, don't get baggy peace. If you come for trouble, don't get baggy trouble. If you come for wahala, you go collect and photo. If you come for
Why use this girl on this girl on night? Why do this girl on now? Hey, I'm warning you. You know she's my only daughter. She's my only daughter now. Yeah, come on. Now leave her out. What's that coming on now? Hey.
Come here. Come here.
Hey.
Zulu, come here. Come. Come, Etiko. Now, choose between these two. This and this. Which of them suits your stupidity and foolishness? Now, tell me.
Papa, which one is choose? Now, what did I do?
What did you do?
Hey, Mama,
you don't know what you did? How many times have I warned you never to go on errands for Eunice? Are you her housemate? Are you her housemate?
Papa, it's not like I'm a housemate. There's nobody to help Mama Eunice out with the house chores. You know, since Nkechi is not around, so I'm the only one to help her out.
So, you now call her Mama Eunice? Mama Eunice? No, she's not your mother. Mama Eunice. Okay, if Nkechi is not around and there is no one to help Mama Eunice, you now become their servant. No, you become her servant, her maid.
Now you should stop saying that, oh. Stop saying that. Chisom is not her maid. Besides, she can go on errand for Eunice because she's old enough to be her mother.
I don't have time for you. Give me her.
Give me her! Give me her! Leave her alone, Why? Hey! Hey! Do you want to see her? She's my only daughter.
for city. Jua, jua, jua.
Joanne! Is the food not ready?
The food, you don't get it.
All right.
Make I bring them.
All right, set the table.
Okay.
Yes.
No.
Joanne, come. What is it? You wanted to say something?
I want to talk something, but I don't know whether it will vex you.
Go ahead and say it. What is it?
I said, make I ask you. You don't get woman for your life. Because you be better man. Every time you go there on your own, you go there lonely, there quiet.
Well, Joanne, unfortunately, I do not have any woman in my life. And I like it that way.
Ha! Okay, I don't talk like that. No be woman born you, you go born person. You need a woman, no? What's happen now?
Joanne, it's a long story. And I do not want to talk about it, please.
Steve, Oga, wait, no verse. I know say, I don't want to carry me out to put for something will not concern me, but you be my Oga. And since I don't dare for this house, you dey nice to me. You dey follow me talk like say me and you can go, you too nice. So we're not there the same level, you still there this humble. Oga, beg, tell me. If not something I go advise you, Because me self, I get sense, so now money I don't get. I beg, tell me, if you long go cut and short, me, I don't cook finish, I don't get anything what they do.
It's all right, Joanne. You see, you've been a nice girl. And ever since I employed you here, you've not given me issues. So I will tell you my story. Yes.
Oh, damn me.
Come on, sit.
Oh, is it now or after food?
Now.
Oh, but I think I'm going to catch you too.
Well, it started when I went for my NYSC at OBB's in a village. I met this beautiful girl. And then I fell in love.
Tobechi, hurry up now. We have classes by 8 o'clock. Look at the time.
I'm coming. Give me a second.
Just hurry up, please. I don't know why you just waste all the time like a human. I'm sorry. What kept you now? Sorry. I don't like this thing. Steve. I don't have life. I'm already late.
Good afternoon. Good
Afternoon. Hi, good afternoon. What a beauty.
Austin.
Huh? That girl is so beautiful.
Why are you looking at her?
Can't you see how fine she is?
Who? This village girl. Come, let's go, my friend. We are going late now. Let's go. Austin. Let's go. We are late.
I know.
Is it not the Austin that I know?
The girl is so beautiful.
I used to be Baba for the girls now. See, I don't know what's wrong with you.
Mama, what happened? Why are you sitting so quiet?
Mazi Zuna was here some few minutes ago.
Mazi Zuna? He came for his money?
Yes. And he said he's giving us 2 weeks to return his money.
Hi. And he came today that I sold all my vegetables. I made 5,000 naira. Maybe I should just give him the money so he can relax.
No. We can't give him all this money.
But Mama, we don't have any other option than to give him the money. Except for him to go and meet Uncle Eluka and beg him for money.
Nkechi, you keep saying you will go and meet Eluka. I want to ask you a question. When your father was on his sick bed, did he contribute anything? Did he even come to see your father?
But Mama, what do you suggest we do now? He'll keep coming to disturb us for his money.
This man will not give you 1 naira. Eluka is very wicked. He will not listen to you. Rather, he will use it to insult you. What I suggest we do is that we will tell him to have patience. Let him exercise a little patience. We will give him his money. After all, he gave us 2 weeks. Before 2 weeks, he must have used this money now that you made to turn over.
And you think he will listen to us? Mama, the fact that he accepted to leave today does not mean he will not come back to disturb us for his money. I know that man. He will come back and torment our lives. Let's give him this money now.
Nigeria is owing. We are not thieves. We are owing. Did we steal it? We are owing him and we are definitely going to pay him. Has Nigeria paid their money that they are owing? Thank God. Thank you, Jesus. You're welcome, Mama. There's food in the pot.
I'd like to talk to you. I saw you pass through and I noticed you were not fine. So I decided to wait here for you until you come back. Because I know this is the route you use to go back home.
Please, I don't want to talk to you. Besides, I don't know you.
I know. My name is Austin. I'm a copper. I was posted here some months ago. So what's your name?
I am not in a good mood to talk right now. Stay out of my way.
Hey, it doesn't matter, okay? A day begins a story. Besides, it said, a problem shared is a problem solved. You can share your problems with me.
I am not in a good mood right now. Please.